Hi guys, my name is Miss La and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk about things in regards to beauty, business, and motivation. So if that's something that you're into, thank you so much for joining me and let's hop into today's video. So normally on my channel, I do shoot usually from my super small home, but I'm trying to step out and do things differently. So I'm in my lash studio. I'm in a salon suite and this is my space. I've been here now for about 4 years, something like that. Yeah, 3 or 4 years. So I took a leap of faith and yeah, I'm still here. So I'm super excited. But I wanted to start shooting content in my studio because it's really kind of hard for me to do content at my home and keep up with YouTube. So I figure, well, I don't have to look all pretty all the time just to shoot a video. If I have content, I'm just going to put it out. So yeah, here I am. One of the things I've been trying to do is I've been going really hard in my business for 2023 because I don't want to be in the same spot. So I have some great content that I want to share with you about like taking in an apprentice that didn't go as well as I thought. Trying to build my business by learning more things like body sculpting that went really well, and I'm excited about that. Also facials. I knew about it because I'm a licensed cosmetologist, but I want to learn more. So I did take a course. I took the course a while ago, but I'm just not really going to be offering the services. But yeah, I wanted to like get more and go harder in my business because I don't want to be in the same spot. So I've been diligent about doing that. And one of the things was, like I said, creating content in my space, even though this is like out of my comfort zone because I feel like I don't look a certain way, but I know my content is good. I know it's real life and I'm telling you real things that happen when you're in the beauty and entrepreneurial space. So yeah, I'm just gonna like jump into it and just start doing these videos because I have things that I want to share, things that I know or I feel like will help people. So that is the whole goal. So I'm not gonna wait till 2024 or the new year to start. I'm just gonna jump right in. If you are getting value so far from this video and you're feeling motivated and inspired, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I promise I will do better about making content. I mean, it's real life. You know how it goes. You know. But I will be sharing things. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have, like I said, been planning. I'm a big person where I write things down. I make pro and con lists, but I've been really good about looking towards the future and how I want my business to look. I'm super thankful and grateful for my clients that come in and keep me totally booked all the time. But I know that, life changes as your life progresses, as you get older, your body changes. I realize that I may not be able to perform services for like 10, 20, whatever many years. So I need to be thinking long term. So some of the things that I have been working on is I taught myself WordPress, and I would not advise anybody to like learn that unless they have the time because that's a lot of work. I know Shopify is easy, but WordPress, I wanted to learn it because of the SEO that you can get from it. So I taught myself WordPress. I took a body contouring class and I learned about facials because I want to add those services. And then also digital products. Like I have a course and I just took a look because someone just signed up today. I have over 70 students that have went through my lash training course. And I put a lot of time and effort into that. So I'm really proud about it. So I'm getting more into digital products. So I will have additional courses that are coming out. So if you are looking to learn lashing, I do have a course and I'll put the information in the description box so you can find out more about it. I just updated a lot of the presentation for the course, so there is an updated version. And I do have a free Facebook group that you can join and you can reach out to me and I can answer your questions. but I will have more things coming out like planners. I have a manifestation planner and an abundance journal as well, because I'm a big believer your mind has to be right. Whatever you do, like you could say, okay, I'm going to go out and start a lash business, or I want to learn how to start any type of business, or I have a goal, but you have to get your mind right. So I will have digital products that will focus on your mind, your money, and no, I'm not like this six-figure person yet, but I do have knowledge to share because I try to bring people real life. This is me living this entrepreneurial journey, and I'm sharing it with you. Everything is not what social media makes it seem like. It's a grind, it's a hustle until you get that system going, you get all those things in place. So I'm bringing that to you. So I will have products, I will have courses that can help you to do that, and I will put information in the description box. And if you subscribe to my channel, you can find out more and be the first to participate and see my journey, and you don't have to make the same mistakes. You can look at my journey and do better and just live your best life. I think that is about it for right now. I'm really proud of myself for just coming on here and turning the camera on and just going and making the decision that I'm going to do better about delivering content that I have about real life, real world experiences. I'm about being an entrepreneurial person, about being on this journey. It's still real life for me, and a lot of people are still doing real life. Like, I still work a regular job, I still have my business, and I make the time to work on my business every single day, even if it's just for an hour a day. And I have seen the growth. So I know if I can do it coming from below poverty, raising 6 kids, then you can do that as well. So I have knowledge to share, I have wisdom to share, and I hope that you will join me on this journey, whether you're looking to start a lash business or you're looking to just start a side hustle. I don't like to say that. I like to say business because that's what it is. Even if you work a regular job, you can do it. So I want to be there to support you, and you support me as well, because I generate things that I need to learn, things that maybe I need to change. I can learn from you as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And also, I totally forgot about this, hit the bell so you can get notifications about when I do post new content. And also in the comment box, let me know what you are working on. I would like to know, because maybe there is something that I can do to support you. Comment below what you're working on, what you're excited about, what your New Year's resolutions are, because I'm shooting this video in almost December of 2023. But remember, you don't have to wait until the new year to start. Just start. If you say you want to do it, just start tomorrow. I do it all the time. Just start. But that's it, guys. Have a great day.